Hey guys, welcome to DonRaph Alpha, where I teach you guys how to make money and I give you update that will change your life. Okay, I saw this particular update today from grass.io and I was so excited when I saw a whooping sum of 3,846.62 cents. So when I saw this, I was so excited. Okay, just make sure that you follow me from beginning to the end of this video because you are going to learn one or two things from this. So, and I believe after this, what I want you to do right now is to go and check your email and comment in the comment below if you got exactly this kind of tempting airdrop. Okay, so I got this and I was so excited, but you know how I normally do my things. I always do research based on anything I got before I start clicking on anything. So let's go, let me show you something. So my email address, you can see the message I got. You can see your 3,846.63 airdrop that worth 12,583. Okay, this is it. This is the message I got, and they say that this is equivalent to 3,000 something, almost 4,000. So, and when you come to this place, you can see that Glass sent you a reward. Congratulations, your network contribution has been recognized. Claim your reward before they're expired. You see how they are pushing you to do it immediately. And when you come down, you are going to see total reward value, and you can see the total reward value is equivalent to 12,583. That's a 3,846.62. So your reward link is personal. You can see it. Your reward link is personal and expires soon. Do not share it. Okay, they will make you not to share it because the time you start telling people about it, a lot of people will start doing research and tell you that this is not the right one. Okay, I'm going to show you everything here. So visit your dashboard to claim or to view your full breakdown of network points, uptime, bonuses and referral reward, and this. So once you come to this place here, when you see support at getgrass.io, you will think that you are dealing with the real people. That's the thing. So a lot of people are going to fall to this. A lot of people are going to fall to this. That was the reason why I say let me come here right now. Immediately I got this information to share it with a lot of people because people will be searching for this to know whether this is legit or scam. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you right now is once you see this kind of message, ignore it, especially once it's not from their official email. Okay, so let's go back. Let me show you once. Okay, after that I got the information, what I did was, doing research. I went to their official website and then I tried to register with the same email or log in with the same email. So once I tried it, you can see that their official email is Grass Foundation, while the scammers own is grass.io. So once I click on this, the official email, you are going to get this. This is how it look like. Okay, this is how it look like. And once you come to this, their email support, you will see that it is written this way: support at grassfoundation.io. Do you understand? So a lot of people's wallet is going to be wiped out. So another one is that once you click on that link, once you click on this claim link here, they are going to ask you to connect your link, your wallet. So once I click on this, you are going to see that is .com, not .io. Do you see that? Do you see that? Not .io. This is .com. Are you getting what I'm saying? So this is the things you must pay attention to. You can see them. You can see what they're doing. So once you come to this place, you're going to see it. And Once you come to down, you are going to see that 12,583 glass, and they're going to tell you that the grass is trading at 0.3057, and after the calculation you will see that you are going to get this particular amount when you get this kind of amount of grass. Okay, so once they ask you to, the next thing is to withdraw. Don't click on withdraw, because you are going to connect your wallet and they are going to ask you to enter your 12 secret phrase. That is where they are going to catch you. Once you enter your 12 secret phrase, you're already gone. So the reason why I decided to share this, so that you will know what you're doing. That a lot of people are eager. A lot of people are eager to withdraw their grass reward. That was the reason why everything to make you they remove everything in your wallet. So please, my people, make sure that you follow me for more. Once grass start dropping their airdrop, you are going to be part of them. But for now, ignore everything you get in your email unless it is from their official website. You can see the distribution wallet they dropped here. This is the distribution wallet. We are still going to do more research about this, but please make sure that you don't fall to these people. They're just trying to reap from where they did not sow. So this is the information. I feel like, let me drop it. You saw my thumbnail, and this is just to draw your attention to know what is going on. And I'm still going to drop another video that will help you to make a lot of money. We are still 80% finishing. Okay, so make sure that you join me, subscribe to this channel, like my video, then make sure you go to your email address. Okay, once you go to your email address, what I want you to do right now is go to your email address. Once you get to your email address, make sure you check if you got this kind of message. If you got this kind of message, tell me the amount they say that you are going to claim. Okay, just tell me the amount in the comment section. Let me be sure that I'm not the only one that got this email. Okay, see you guys at the top. Make sure that you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and make sure that you give me a sweet comment. Okay, because it encourages me to do more. See you guys at the top. Bye bye.
Talent is common, but discipline in rare. Stop consuming, start creating. Your new chapter starts here. We move with vision, build with patience, earn with integrity.